The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, big up. Now, I am going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, but before I present any of those videos to you and before I get into certain details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And in those videos, a female talked about a person who she said killed her daughter and her grandchild. In those pieces of videos, the female went on to talk about certain things and explain certain things that she said happened. And I'm going to tell you from right now that some things have been said in these pieces of videos that might make you, my viewers and subscribers, sad. Alright? You can also let me know what you think about the things that the female said in those pieces of videos. And before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. John Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. When you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the morgue. John Griffiths, you know. John Griffiths, you come from Jamaica. And you know I'm nowhere to stay. And my daughter and his boyfriend take you in the house. Then carry come to my yard in Miami. And me take up my $100 gift to you. Because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home. And you did this to them, John. John. Anybody can say anything on social media and this and that already. Be my guest. I am dead already. Me know I'm dead. Because you killed me today, John. John, you come to my yard. You killed me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grab Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Kalashi and Kali. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Kali for your hip every day. They play with Kali. They play with Kali. Bring Kali gas store. Me send the money, say, buy Kali ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead, but you got it wrong. John Griffiths, no say me dead, so anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. John Griffiths from Gulf. John Griffiths, I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me. Kill me.
My people, be careful of the friends that you keep. Be very careful of the friends that you keep because you may never know, you see. Alright, so I got some unconfirmed informations about the incident that the female talked about in those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. However, I'm not going to explain those informations that I got in this video because those informations are unconfirmed informations. However, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want to know about these unconfirmed informations that I got, you can reach out to me, Dancehall skilla. My phone number is 18,764,384,200 and you can also check the comment section of this video as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video letting you know what I know, and if I get any updates about the things that the female talked about in those pieces of videos that I just presented to you, I will also leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video letting you know what I know. Alright? Now, on the 9th of September, the year 2021, a person who goes by the name of Mr. Handsome on social media did a live recording on social media letting persons know that a female who goes by the name of Christine had died. Now, Christine is a female who can be seen in quite a number of videos with Mr. Handsome on social media. And Christine is a female who Mr. Handsome said is his sister. Alright? Alright, so in the live recording, Mr. Handsome talked about certain things and explained certain things that he said happened sometime before the female who goes by the name of Christina died. My condolences to Mr. Handsome and the viewers and subscribers. I'm just letting you know about this situation. You can also let me know what I think about the situation as well. And I'm going to move on to a video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a motorist. And in the video, the motorist talked about a taxi operator. He also said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that his motor vehicle had been damaged. See, he also used some words in this video that might be considered as him expressing himself as to how he hates taxi operators. Viewers and subscribers, the things that have been said in this video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. I'm presenting this video to you so that you can hear the things that the person said in this video, and you can also let me know what I think about the things that the person said in this video as well. Alright, I'm also presenting this video to you because the video is being talked about on social media. And you don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright. Now, please bear in mind that some harsh languages had been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Stop. Then carry and wait. Mr. Police ask the blind to forward out. Mr. Soldier stop them blood clot van and wait. Then ratty jeep and wait. Mr. Private vehicle stop, Mr. Company vehicle stop, brother. Everybody stop and wait except for Bumbuckler taxi man. Bad man, the whole of me car front mash up right now. The taxi man will do it. I don't know him from Adams. Country me there, the man run down my car. When the man run down my car, the man jump in a different taxi like up film taxi and portal after I see in same time. So me have to go to insurance now to get back my little dodo. No, my lad. Big man thing you, God know you, John know my G. Taxi man go suck out your mother, brother. Bad man go suck out your mother na youth. Brother, me hate you fuck, brother. Once a damn taxi man. Bad man, let me tell you something. If my bumbuckler son and my bumbuckler brother start run taxi, go suck out your mother. Suck your mother. Cause my company road with the same instinct just as every batty man taxi man. And you go suck out on a blood clot mother. You know want mash up my car for $100. And even me alone, brother. Bad man everybody car you want mash up for $100. Any bumbuckler thing go on the road with accident and a taxi did there, nobody don't ask who wrong, you know, brother. The taxi man have to wrong, you know. I want to know him the wicked, he wrong, no bumbuckler, you know. Can go to broke one stop like down there so for reach us right now. So he wrong. Dog me here the man in my fuck, bro. Me can't tell you, brother. Bumbo up.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I do not think every taxi operators drive recklessly on the road. And I'm talking about within the country of Jamaica and other places out there in the world, you see me? Yeah, I don't think every taxi operators drive recklessly on the road. I know taxi operators who drive consciously and safe to make sure that their motor vehicles do not get damaged and to also protect persons on the road, including themselves too as well. You see me I say? Yeah, I know taxi operators who drive safe to make sure that they have their jobs, you see? So I don't think every taxi operators drive recklessly, but you do have some taxi operators who do reckless drivings on the road. See it? Yeah, me make sure I say it that way. You see me I say? Yeah, me say it that way for a certain reason. But anyway, the things that have been said in the video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. The reason why I presented the video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. You can let me know what I think about the things that have been said in the video that I just presented to you. You can also let me know what I think about the things that I talked about in this video and videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Skilla Entertainment.